Hazrat Anas bin Malik narrates that Hazrat Muaz bin Jabal radiyallahu anhu says, I was sitting behind the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam on a mount, and there was nothing as a barrier between me and him except the wood of the pack saddle. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Muaz, I submitted at your service and pleasure, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. After covering some distance, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam again said, O Muaz, I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, at your service and pleasure. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, Do you know what is the right of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu on his bondsman? I submitted, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, Allah's right on his bondsmen is that they must worship him alone and must not associate any partner with him. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam travelled for a while and said, O Muaz bin Jabal, I submitted, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, at your service and pleasure. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Do you know what is a man's right on Allah's blessing provided they perform the aforementioned deed? I submitted, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, The bondsman's right on Allah's blessing is that He Jalla Jalaluhu may not torment them. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5967.